Hi guys, it's your boy Dotun here. I had an amazing experience in Big Brother house, and I'm about to go through the comment section, of what you guys said about me while I was in the house. First comment, Dotun, foolish ass liquor. What can I say about that, really? I don't have much to say. I don't think I ever lick ass. I don't. Dotun and Deji, really foolish. Come on, how can two handsome looking guys be that foolish? You should know better, come on. Shout out to Fina and Cheesy for being the only housemates to stand against foolish acts. The rest are liars and hypocrites, especially Chichi, Dotun and Doing. That's a lot to say in one sentence. Like, okay. I don't think I lied or was an hypocrite at any time. My silence is my silence, and sometimes in the house you just have to stay silent, There's so many loud people, but you don't have to always explain yourself. Thank you, yeah. To another one, I know Daniela is foolish and useless, but Dotun, what happened to bro code? What the F is bro code? I didn't know this guy personally, what's bro code when emotions are attached? So, yeah. Dotun is not good at anything aside chasing Daniela up and down. Foolish womanizer. I don't really know what TV you got to see, but definitely wasn't chasing anybody up and down. I mean, they chased me, I'm the prize. Have you forgotten? Come on. Anybody feeling sad for Dotun is very stupid and crazy. A man that couldn't respect another man's situation doesn't deserve any sympathy at all. Adekunle doesn't owe him anything, period. I really don't know where that's coming from, but are we talking about Adekunle here or another man? I mean, I always respect every man's situation, but being in the space where we are, you don't owe anybody respect because they could be playing a game. So yeah, it is what it is, and it was what it was. Okay guys, I'm done with the comments. I mean, you guys had a lot to say. It's all love and light over here. I appreciate the love and even talking about me, the hate. It was a wholesome journey. I can't wait to spread so much love and light as always. Dotun, your boy. Yeah.
Yeah.